Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make pumpkin swirl brownies. Alright, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of butter and we're going to melt that. So I have 4 half sticks here. Then you need 1 3/4 cup of sugar, 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 2/3 cup flour. You need a 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, a 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And then you need a 9x9 baking dish, and we're going to go ahead and spray that with cooking spray. And then we're going to preheat our oven to 350. Alright, next put your butter in a microwavable safe bowl and microwave it in 30-second increments until it is melted. And just make sure you stir it after each time too. You just don't want it to burn. Alright, the butter is fully melted, so next we are going to whisk in our sugar until it is well combined. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So next we are going to add our eggs in one at a time and mixing it each time. So you just want to make sure that your mixture still is not hot, which mine isn't. I just made sure. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So next we are going to use a rubber spatula or a wooden spoon to stir in the salt, baking powder, vanilla extract, and flour. Alright, that is pretty well combined to me. I don't know why we didn't use an electric mixer for that, but the directions say to use a spatula, so that's what I did. So next we are going to divide this batter into 2 bowls. Alright, my batters are divided. So to the first one, I'm going to add the cocoa powder, and we're going to just stir it until it is just combined and no streaks of cocoa powder remain. Alright, I think that looks pretty good. So next we are going to fold in our chocolate chips. Alright, that batter looks great. So let's get to work on our other batter. We're going to combine our cinnamon, nutmeg, and pumpkin puree to the other batter. Alright, my pumpkin batter is all ready to go. I just used a whisk to combine that. So next we're just going to take spoonfuls of each batter and just alternate them into your prepared pan. Alright, that looks good to me. So next we are going to smooth this with a knife and then swirl it to make the swirl pattern. Alright, that looks pretty swirled to me. So now we're going to put this into the oven for 45 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Alright, my brownies are out of the oven and they smell so good. I think I might have left mine in a little too long. It has a little crack up here, but that doesn't matter. That makes it look like even more Halloween fun. So we are going to just let these cool off, and then we'll cut into them and see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester!
Hey.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yay, Nut Free Mama, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween.